Yo, what's up guys, this is Bart Bregman here from IQOptionWiki.com with today another tutorial video, a strategy video. Today we're going to talk about a very popular indicator on IQ Option. The Parabolic SAR indicator is a very easy indicator. What it stands for, SAR is stop and reverse, and that's basically what it does. It hits the price and then it stops and it reverses because it's a price movement indicator. On our website we have the article here how to set it up and whatnot, but I need this image for you guys to show you what's going on with this indicator, because this is a really good image that displays it really well. So this parabolic indicator makes a dot line below and above the candlesticks, and as soon as it hits the candlestick, it reverses and takes the highest point. Let me draw that out a little bit for you guys. You can see here that the parabolic hits, it goes up and then it goes down and it hits the parabolic line, and that's the moment of reverse. And then it's gonna take the highest point of the previous reverse box. So if we take this previous reverse box, you can see here, this is the highest point here, and that is going to be the new high point for the parabolic reverse, and then it goes down because the trend doesn't go up that much, and then it hits, and then it takes the previous high from that same box again, and then the trend continues in a reversal. And as soon as it hits here, again, it takes the highest point of the chart from the previous reversal. So you take this box now, and this is basically how it works. It's a really simple indicator to predict a trend reversal. It's a helpful indicator, it's a popular indicator, and now let's see if we can make a trade with it. If you haven't made a demo account or open a demo account, I recommend you to go to our website and open one. On our website we have this license sign up form here. You can open a free demo account with that, and if you have any other questions, always feel free to comment down below, like and subscribe, and let's make a trade in the IQ Option platform. So now in the IQ Option platform, just to set it up, we're going to trade with a 5-minute candlestick chart here. Go to indicators, go to popular, and there you have it, Parabolic SAR. We're just going to put it on default, and there we have it. You see already the dot line appear on the chart. It's a really easy to spot trend reversals. You can go into a long position here when you see it reverses, and you can catch this all. And although this is a perfect reversal indicator, never take one indicator to determine a trend reversal. I recommend you to put more different, try different indicators in your strategy. Your strategy is really personal. What works for you doesn't work for everybody. So that's why we discussing the indicators one by one. Now let's see if we can find a trend reversal to get started here. The New Zealand US dollar just reversed here, as we can see, and I see it wants to break out of its resistance level here. So we're gonna draw a support line real quick. Or a resistance line, so we speak. And now we're gonna wait a little bit, and if it crosses above this line, that means it's gonna break out and to the upside, and then we're gonna make a trade to the upside. So we see here it just broke up. We're gonna make a 15-minute trade, so I'm gonna speed up the time a little bit here, and let's see what happens. Okay, only 15 seconds left into the trade. It seems to be going still moving up. I think this trend will continue a lot more because of this breakout, and this is a bull flag pattern here. So we could even, if this breaks out here, there you see it, a resulting winning trade. If the bull flag continues up here, you could even open another trade with the trend here. Looks very promising. We're not going to do that in this video, but a resulting winning trade. Very happy, and that is the end of the video. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, again, ask them in the comments down below, and happy trading.